Hi, my name is Dave Fellman, and I'm going to be presenting a four-part webinar series for Pine in September. The program is titled Driving the Sales Cycle, and the basic idea is to teach you and your salespeople how to really drive this cycle as opposed to just being along for the ride. You'll find complete information at the Pine website. You'll see that we're going to be talking about prospecting and follow-up, in dealing with all of the common obstacles and objections, including the price objection. We're even going to spend some time talking about making the time to make all of this happen. We're doing this on 4 mornings over a period of just 2 weeks, starting at 8 a.m. and finishing by 9 a.m., so we're not taking anybody out of the field for any great length of time. What we are doing is providing an opportunity for some solid, industry-specific sales training. You know, a printer told me recently that a little bit of sales training probably wouldn't hurt his salespeople, but that's not the way we want you to think about this opportunity. The question we hope you'll ask is whether a modest investment in printing sales training would help your salespeople and therefore help your whole company. And if the answer to that question is yes, we hope you'll sign your people up right away for driving the sales cycle.